Today we're diving into the world of prompt engineering, a crucial skill for anyone working with AI. Imagine asking your phone for restaurant recommendations. The way you phrase your question can greatly influence the type of answer you get. That's prompt engineering, crafting questions or commands to get the best possible response from an AI. Why is this important? As AI becomes more integrated into our lives, the ability to fine-tune our interactions with these systems becomes increasingly valuable. Let's try to understand the basics, explore how to craft effective prompts, and see real-world applications. We're not just learning to communicate better with AI, we're learning to unlock its full potential. Crafting effective prompts is both an art and a science. Start with clarity. Be as specific as possible. Context is your friend. It helps you narrow down the AI's focus. Avoid ambiguity. It can lead the AI down the wrong path. Let's take a look at an example. Changing write a story to write a romantic story set in the 1920s in Paris. This can dramatically improve the AI's output by providing genre, setting, and mood. But it's not just about getting it right the first time. Prompt engineering often involves iterations. You have to test your prompts, analyze the outputs, and refine again. The process is key to mastering prompt engineering. At the heart of prompt engineering are the prompts themselves. These are not just questions, but bridges to understanding between humans and AI. A well-crafted prompt provides clarity, context, and a clear goal, guiding the AI to produce the desired output. Consider the differences between "tell me about historical events" and "provide a summary of significant events leading to the American Revolution." The details and the context in the second prompt guide the AI to a more targeted and useful response. Understanding how AI models work, like the GPT model, is a key. They draw on huge databases of information, they use the nuances in your prompt to generate responses, and the more aligned your prompt is with the model's training, the better the outcome. As we look ahead, the field of prompt engineering is rapidly evolving. Techniques like prompt chaining, where prompts built on previous AI outputs, and few-shot learning, where models generate responses based on a few examples, are the frontier of AI interaction. The landscape of AI is constantly changing, with new research, tools, and methodologies emerging. Staying informed and adaptable is crucial for anyone in this field. I personally encourage you to further explore beyond this mini introduction. The journey of learning prompt engineering is ongoing and the possibilities are limitless. If you have any question, feel free to ask ChatGPT.